Good morning, all of you. My name is Mahadur Ramnath Munmane. I have a PhD student in subject of education from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, and my guide Dr. Suhas S. Pathak, Assistant Professor, Department of Education from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. I am going to present my seminar report on topic a study of the attitude towards e-learning among students studying in secondary schools, their parents and teachers in Marathwada region. Listener, nowadays computers are everywhere you look around. Try to identify any activity which is not based on computers, like traffic signal on the road, security system in buildings, inside the vehicles playing on the roads. You were wearing your television, watch in the kitchen equipments like refrigerator and microwave, withdrawing money from an ATM, buying articles from a shop, or getting a book issued to you on a loan from a library, etc. Yes, you have thought right that activities of life cannot be accomplished successfully with the use of computer. So, e-learning is the most important topic for student, teachers and parents. In this way, these computers have become like oxygen of life. These are some areas where we are wholly depend on them, like weather forecasting, defense, aerospace, transport, health, entertainment, education. In this seminar reports in this topic, I choose four districts in Marathwada region in my sample designing. Then the survey research study presents the finding on uh, of students' attitude in studying secondary schools and their parents and teachers towards e-learning in Marathwada region. The study involved 20 English medium secondary school, 20 Urdu medium secondary school, and 60 Marathi medium secondary school, and in the Marathwada region of Maharashtra state. The data collected from 600 male female teachers of Marathi, Urdu, and English medium secondary schools, 2000 male female students of Marathi, Urdu, and English medium schools, and 2000 male female parents students of Marathi, Urdu, and English medium secondary schools. The researcher I have made a self constructed questionnaire and purchase a questionnaire for the student. The sample design used stratified random sampling method, and I have used survey method for the help of questionnaire of Likert questionnaire, 5-point scale Likert questionnaire, and the attitude scale. Analyze the help of the chi-square test and calculating by the percentage. In this in this top in this topic, we made various points. Literacy survey, I took the advantage of previously gathered knowledge on the proposed topic, and sample designing. I have choose the four districts of Marathwada, Jalna, Aurangabad, Perpani and Nanded. And the procedure of data analysis with the help of chi-square test and calculating by the percentage. And conclusion in my seminar report is the this study suggests that the student of studying in secondary schools and their parents teacher a positive attitude towards e-learning is essential in Marathwada region. A researcher identify attitudes towards e-learning and their factors, consequently enhancing its reliability. Thank you.